Welcome to our Hornet Studio tutorial. The software reseller of Hornet Studio defines a list of supported printers and calibrated materials. However, this list might not be all-inclusive and miss some custom build devices. In this tutorial, we demonstrate how the user can add a custom printer and material. To use a custom printer, click on the combo box below the printer label. Then select the custom printer option. After this option is selected, the user interface is updated, and a new tab is added. Select the newly added tab, which is Custom Printer Setup. Here you can see all options relevant to the custom printer. Let us assume that the new printer has a build volume of 100 to 150 to 100 mm and support the zip format. To specify the printer, we change the corresponding options. After all parameters are set, you can proceed to the next step. In our tutorial, in the next step we want to add a custom material. To add a custom material, click on the combo box below the material label, and then select the custom material option. After this option is selected, the user interface is automatically updated. Select the custom material tab to see all possible material parameters. Let us assume the shrinkage coefficient of the new material is 0.2%. To this end, to automatically compensate the resin shrinkage, we set a value of 1.02 to shrinkage factor's I parameter. After the custom printer and material are set up, we can proceed to the next set of the Hornet Studio workflow by pressing the next button.